Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to rinse out the poha. So I'm going to take a thin stream of water and I'm going to use my hands and get the water in to wash out all the residual dust and powder that might be lying there, and then I pour it out once and then I repeat the whole process again. The water is a little more clearer now, and then I pour it out again and then I repeat the process again. So that would be 3 times, and that should be enough. And I pour out the water again. So this poha is now wet and it will start slowly soaking in the water and become really soft. So I'm just going to let this sit until I finish cooking everything else.